What if future wars are fought not only with bullets and missiles but with invisible energy? A beam of laser light, a burst of microwave energy, and suddenly a drone swarm falls from the sky. Welcome to Directed Energy Weapons or DEWs. DEWs होते क्या हैं? They use focused energy instead of physical ammunition. They include high energy lasers, high power microwave weapons, radio frequency weapons. Let's remember 5 things about them. Number 1, lasers usually damage a target by heat. For example, drone का wing, sensor या engine को burn करना. Microwave weapons electronics को disrupt करते हैं, यानी drone का circuit, communication link या guidance system disable हो सकता है. So laser is more like a precision burn and microwave is more like an electronic shock. Secondly, DEWs की सबसे बड़ी अपील क्या है कि ये लो कॉस्ट होते हैं. अगर एक चीप ड्रोन को गिराने के लिए एक्सपेंसिव मिसाइल यूज करने पड़े तो डिफेंडर इकोनॉमिकली वो जंग ऑलरेडी हार सकता है. Directed energy weapons offer a different logic. Use energy, not ammunition. That is why many countries are exploring them as counter-drone and counter-swarm defense. How effective are they? They can be very useful, especially against drones, drone swarms, small boats, sensors, some incoming projectiles, but they are not magic weapons. Lasers can be affected by rain, dust, fog, smoke, line of sight, and microwave systems भी disturb हो सकते हैं power से, range of control and protection against collateral electronic effects. So सवाल ये नहीं है can they work, सवाल ये है कि under what conditions can they reliably work. So कौन सी countries इनको pursue कर रही हैं? Almost all major powers are investing heavily in it. United States, United Kingdom, China, Japan are all testing high power laser systems for their triads. India is also pursuing directed energy technologies through DRDO related programs including laser and high power microwave concepts. So ये सिर्फ science fiction नहीं है, it is becoming part of future air defense. International law इसके बारे में क्या कहता है? So international law does not ban all directed energy weapons, but there is one clear prohibition. Blinding laser weapons designed to cause permanent blindness are banned under Protocol 4 of the Convention on Certain Conventional Weapons. Beyond that, directed energy weapons को फिर भी एक basic law of war को follow करना पड़ता है. Distinction यानी civilians deliberately target ना हो, proportionality यानी harm may not be excessive, and unnecessary suffering कि weapons को use करने से कोई superfluous injury ना हो. So legality जो है इसकी depend करती है design, target and use. Why should South Asia care about it? South Asia is entering the age of drones, electronic warfare and AI-enabled targeting. If drone swarms become more common, then counter-drone warfare will become equally important, and that's where directed energy weapons can help defend against the swarms. ये याद रखें कि directed energy weapons are not just futuristic weapons, they are part of the bigger shift from kinetic warfare to electronic and energy-based warfare.